Hello, everyone. It is Monday, the 12th of July, 2021. We are in a major crisis as unrest and rioting sweeps through our land. Many of the videos and images you see on social media is really happening right now. The police cannot cope, and in some cases, the police themselves are involved in these looting. We have to take the law into our own hands and protect our property and loved ones. Remember that we are in the majority and we have to fight back. Here is the plan, and please pass this on to everyone. Number one, avoid leaving your neighborhood today, stay at home. Two, get in touch with all your neighbors and cordon off your area. Three, do not allow any unknown person or person's entry. Secure your neighborhood. Be on high alert. Four, plan any trips well in advance. Stock up on essential items like water, bread, milk if you can. Five, make sure your cell phones are charged and you have data. Six, arm yourself. It's now do or die. We cannot rely on this government to protect us. Seven, know the whereabouts of every family member. We have put the president on terms to send in the army into our areas. We've given him 12 hours. If there's no response from him, we are going to the High Court to get an order. In the interim, let's take the law into our own hands to protect our loved ones and our properties. Please be safe. God bless us all.